Ready to permanently remove your ChatGPT account. Deleting your account removes your access to ChatGPT and starts the process of permanently deleting your account data. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your ChatGPT account in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to the ChatGPT account you want to delete. Then open your profile menu and select Settings. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, because account deletion is permanent. If you have an active ChatGPT subscription, review your billing status before deleting the account. If you subscribed through a third-party app store, you may need to manage that subscription separately. Take a moment to confirm that there are no subscriptions you still want to keep. Next, look for the Account section inside Settings. Depending on the current ChatGPT interface, the account deletion option may appear under your account controls. Take a moment to review the available options before choosing to permanently delete your account. Select Delete Account and carefully read the information shown on the confirmation screen. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm your email address or enter additional information before continuing. Don't continue unless you're completely sure you want to permanently remove the account. Follow the instructions on screen and confirm that you want to delete the account. Once the deletion request is submitted, the process cannot simply be undone by signing back in. If you have important conversations or files, make sure you've saved anything you need before completing this step. After you confirm the deletion, your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion according to OpenAI's current data retention process. You won't be able to use the deleted account normally once the process is completed, so make sure you've backed up anything important before finishing the process. And that's how to delete your ChatGPT account. Before confirming, remember to save anything important and check your subscription or billing arrangements. If you're certain you no longer want the account, following these steps will start the account deletion process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.